Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. I'm Maria Pebin Yangar, 49 years old, married, and I have 6 children, 4 boys and 2 girls, high school graduate. My work experience in Singapore is 2 years and 6 months, and Hong Kong is 4 years and 6 months also.
And when did you go to Singapore?
I go to Singapore on January 1993 to June 1995.
And how many were there in the family?
Six
Family members?
6 members of the family, sir. And grandpa, grandma, madam, sir, 3 years old and 3 months old babies.
Okay. And were you the one taking care of the children? Are you the one taking care of
yes,
the children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And tell me your other duties.
Clean the house, iron the clothes, wash the clothes, help the grandma to cook, wash the car, and go to market.
Okay. And you also work in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
4 years and 6 months?
Yes, sir.
One employer only?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When did you go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong because when I go to Hong Kong, December 23, sir, 2006 until this June 2010, sir. 11, sir.
Until June 2011?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how many were there in the family?
4, sir. Madam, sir, 4 years old, and then the newborn baby, sir.
Okay. And also you were the one taking care of the children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And tell me your duties.
Wash the clothes, clean the house, wash the car, bring the children to school, and go to market also, and cooking.
Okay. Okay. And do they have pets here?
Yes, sir. 2.
2 dogs?
Dogs.
2 dogs. Small or big?
Small, sir.
Small. Okay. And you mentioned that you have 6 kids, right?
Yes, sir.
How old are they?
28, 27, 26, 25, 19, and 16. 21 and 16, sir.
Okay. And who will take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
My sister-in-law, sir.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
Because, sir, I want to earn money to help also to my husband I want to help my husband to earn money, and then I want to give my family good life, sir.
Good life. Okay.
Yes,
Are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
yes, sir.
Are you scared of big dogs?
No, sir.
And can you sing a children's song?
Yes, sir. 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter Indian, 4 liter, 5 liter, 6 liter Indian, 7 liter, 8 liter, 9 liter Indian, 10 liter Indian goat.
And what is your message to your future employer?
Good afternoon, Madam, sir. Thank you for choosing me. I do my best and I promise to do my work, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Maria Feni Yangar, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.